Ever felt like love is supposed to lift you up, but instead it leaves you feeling empty? Like you're stuck in a psychological thriller, not a rom-com? You start wondering, is this normal? Am I the problem? Spoiler, you're not, and it's not normal. This isn't just another, he's just not that into you talk. It's a crash course in spotting the red flags of toxic relationships before they dim your shine. We're going to dissect the signs, call out the BS, and arm you with the knowledge to protect your peace. This is for every woman ready to stop settling for relationships that cost her happiness and self-worth. By the end, you'll be a red flag detective, ready to protect your energy. Let's get started. 1. You feel emotionally drained, not uplifted. Let's start with the biggest sign, a key indicator that something might not be right in your relationship. How do you genuinely feel after spending time with your partner? Really consider this. Do you feel invigorated or something else entirely? A healthy relationship should recharge you. It should be a source of positive energy and mutual support, not drain you, leaving you feeling depleted and emotionally empty. If you consistently leave feeling anxious, constantly worried about the next interaction, exhausted, or like you desperately need to recover and regain your strength, that's a red flag. It's a clear signal that the relationship might be taking more than it's giving. In a toxic dynamic, where negativity thrives, your emotional energy is often a one-way transaction, a constant outflow with little to no return. You give, they take, and the balance is consistently off. You find yourself more and more often needing a break, a significant amount of space from your own relationship. Suddenly you have no energy for friends, the people who usually uplift you, hobbies, the activities that once brought you joy and relaxation, or even work. Your professional life starts to suffer. Because all your emotional and mental resources are being funneled to them. Your world shrinks, becoming smaller and more isolated, and you start to feel like a ghost, disconnected and fading into the background of your own life. Do a gut check, tune into your intuition. After your last few interactions, did you feel lighter, more energized, or heavier, more burdened? Your feelings are your internal GPS, a vital guidance system. Don't ignore them. They're providing valuable information. If you're consistently and overwhelmingly exhausted, despite getting enough sleep, something's wrong. It's a sign that needs your attention. Don't dismiss that exhaustion as just a phase or a temporary state. It's your body and mind, working in unison, telling you to pay attention to what's happening beneath the surface. Protect your energy, it's a precious resource. 2. Your boundaries are ignored or mocked. Boundaries are your personal fence, the invisible yet crucial barriers that define where you end and another person begins. They keep you safe, acting as a shield against emotional overreach and unwanted intrusions, and define your space, both physically and emotionally, ensuring your well-being is prioritized. A healthy partner respects your boundaries, understanding that they are essential for a balanced and fulfilling relationship. They support your need for space or privacy, recognizing that individuality and personal time are vital components of a strong connection. A toxic partner? They jump the fence, kick it down, disregarding your feelings and needs in favor of their own desires, or make you feel guilty for having one, subtly twisting the narrative to make you question your right to have boundaries at all. They mock your needs, guilt-trip you, dismissing your feelings as unimportant or oversensitive, or twist your requests into personal attacks, turning your attempts to establish boundaries into ammunition for arguments. Over time, you start questioning your own needs, wondering if you're asking for too much or being unreasonable, and feel guilty for wanting basic respect, internalizing the idea that your needs are a burden rather than a right. They want full access to your time, energy, and emotions, seeking to control every aspect of your life. Disguising control as love, blurring the lines between genuine affection and possessive manipulation. If your boundaries are met with resistance or ridicule, if your no is never truly accepted, that's not love. It's manipulation, a calculated effort to undermine your sense of self and control your actions. Pay attention. Do they respect your no as much as your yes? Is your voice truly heard and valued? A real partner honors your limits, understanding that respecting your boundaries is a sign of genuine care and consideration. If not, you're in a power struggle, not a partnership, where one person's needs consistently outweigh the others. Your needs matter. Don't let anyone convince you otherwise. Your well-being is paramount, and you deserve to be with someone who cherishes and respects your boundaries. 3. You're gaslit or made to feel crazy. Gaslighting is a manipulative tactic where someone deliberately twists your perception of reality. It's a subtle but insidious form of emotional abuse. They distort facts and events until you begin to question your own sanity and your ability to accurately perceive the world around you. They deny things they said or did, even when you have clear evidence, making you feel like you're losing your grip. They call you too sensitive, dismissing your valid emotional reactions as overblown or irrational. Or they claim you're overreacting, minimizing your feelings and making you feel ashamed for expressing them. You start doubting your memory, questioning whether your recollections are accurate or if you're misremembering things. You doubt your feelings, wondering if you're justified in feeling the way you do, or if you're simply being unreasonable. And eventually, you even doubt your sanity, fearing that you're losing touch with reality and becoming unreliable. The goal? To make you dependent on their version of events, so they can control you and maintain power over you. You end up apologizing for things you didn't do, just to keep the peace and avoid further conflict or manipulation. Or you might even resort to recording conversations just to prove you're not crazy, and to validate your own experiences. If you leave conversations more confused and disoriented than when you started, that's a huge red flag indicating that you might be experiencing gaslighting. A loving partner validates your feelings and acknowledges your experiences. Even if they don't agree with your perspective, they respect your right to feel the way you do. They don't rewrite history to suit their narrative or twist your words to make you seem unreasonable. They don't try to make you feel unstable or question your own mental well-being. Remember, your reality and feelings are valid, and you have a right to trust your own perceptions. Anyone who tries to convince you otherwise, who consistently invalidates your feelings and experiences, is not your ally. Trust yourself and your intuition. Don't let anyone make you doubt your own mind or question your own sanity. You deserve clarity, not confusion, and you deserve to be with someone who respects your reality. 4. The relationship feels one-sided. Relationships are a team sport. Both people need to show up. If you're always the planner, the peacemaker, the giver while your partner just takes, that's a problem. You shouldn't feel like you've adopted a grown adult. If you're always the one apologizing, supporting, or making things work, it's not a partnership. Your needs and struggles shouldn't be an afterthought. Love isn't about keeping score, but it is about mutual effort. If you're rowing the boat alone, you'll eventually get too tired to keep going. You deserve someone who rows with you, side by side. Don't settle for less. Mutual care is non-negotiable. Demand reciprocity. 5. You feel afraid to speak up. In a healthy relationship, you should feel safe to express yourself. If you're walking on eggshells, editing your thoughts, or swallowing your feelings to avoid conflict, that's a warning sign. Silence becomes your survival mechanism. You start to fade into the background just to keep the peace. This isn't about being easygoing, it's about being afraid. A loving partner wants to hear your voice and creates a safe space for your truth. If you have to choose between being authentic and being in a relationship, you're in the wrong relationship. Your voice matters. Don't let anyone silence you. Speak up for yourself. You deserve to be heard. 6. There's a cycle of highs and lows. Does your relationship feel like an emotional roller coaster? Intense highs, love-bombing passion, grand gestures followed by crushing lows, neglect, or cruelty. You're left chasing the next high, desperate to get back to the good times. This cycle is addictive and keeps you hooked, always hoping for the next reward. Healthy love is steady, not chaotic. It's consistent, reliable, and safe, not a series of emergencies. If you're stuck in dramatic swings, recognize it as manipulation. The highs are there to make the lows bearable. You deserve peace, not emotional whiplash. Get off the ride. Choose stability. 7. You've started losing yourself. The most heartbreaking sign? Losing yourself. Think back. Who were you before this relationship? If your world now revolves around keeping your partner happy, you're fading away. You stop seeing friends, drop hobbies, and change who you are to avoid conflict. This isn't compromise, it's erasure. Your identity, interests, and joy shouldn't disappear. The person you were is still inside, waiting for you to remember her. Reconnect with your passions and friends. You are whole on your own. Don't let a relationship make you forget that. If any of these signs hit home, you're not alone. And you're not imagining things. Your happiness is worth fighting for. Share your story in the comments. You might help someone else feel less alone. If this video helped, like and share it with someone who needs it. Let's build a community that lifts each other up. Subscribe for more on healing, confidence, and self-love. Remember, You deserve a love that adds to your life, not subtracts from it. See you in the next video.